Campus life at Emerson is all about community, creativity, and connection. From vibrant spaces to our iconic location in the heart of Boston, there's something here for everyone. I'm Sophia. I'm a media arts production major sophomore here at Emerson College, and this is Campus Life. We're here in the Lion's Den, a space where students can come to eat, have fun, and collaborate. It's a vibrant hub where students come to reconnect with friends and just have a good time.
Emerson's residence halls are more than just places to sleep. They're communities where you'll meet lifelong friends, take part in activities, and feel right at home.
One of the best parts of on-campus life here at Emerson is how easy it is to get involved. Whether it be through workshops, community-led activities, or through our orgs, there's always something interesting happening here at Emerson.
Emerson is an inclusive, supportive community. Whether you're passionate about leadership or the arts, you will definitely thrive here. From our events starting during orientation week, cultural clubs, film and video organizations, to our wellness resources and support services, we aim to give every student the tools they need to succeed and feel at home.
Campus life at Emerson is all about finding your place in the world.
We cannot wait to welcome you to our vibrant community.